In a world where technology never sleeps, one man chose not just to keep up, but to lead the way. With 18+ years of experience, he's been a trusted mind behind industry giants like IBM and Microsoft. In 2015, he earned global recognition, being named among VMware's top 500 experts worldwide. Today, as the founder of an award-winning IT and management consulting company and a purpose-driven social enterprise, he's opening new doors for the future workforce. Now, he's unveiling exclusive insights into the $1.4 trillion global IT and management industry, and guiding the next generation through proven career tracks and high-growth opportunities.
Hi guys, Tushar Key, proud founder and CEO, Cloud Counselage Pvt. It's an IT and management services company with a social cause at heart. It's a social enterprise to help the students and freshers in millions, pan-India and globally, get job ready in time. We are planning to build a global ecosystem of 100 million professionals, 1 million companies, 1 lakh colleges across 100+ countries. We need to build that global ecosystem to bring those 85 million jobs or 8.5 crore jobs which are going to go vacant till 2030. If we make our youth job ready in time, we can bring those jobs to India, bringing along multi-million-dollar business to India.